Hello, everybody, and nice to meet you in Guyana's marketing channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create your first ad on Facebook Ads Manager. So today, I will show you how to set up an engagement ad. Because engagement is one of the most widely used types of ads that people creating. So here you can see the ads manager of Facebook. And here we have these three sections like campaign, ad sets, and ads. So these are look like a three layers of ads manager. So for a quick description, you will know that campaign is the place where we choose the objective of our ad. So the ad set is the place where we are choosing the placement like Instagram, Facebook, and also we are targeting our audience, the people who we want to reach. And ads is a creative part where we are creating pictures, writing our content, and etc. So let's go. We will click here to create an ad. Like here you can see the three types of our marketing funnel. First one is awareness considerations, the second one, and the third one is conversion. So for consideration, we have traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, and message. We are now clicking for engagement. You will see here we have three subcategories on engagement. Like the one is post engagement, the second one is page like, and the third one is event responses. This time we are choosing post engagement, and next time I promise you we will talk about the page likes. So click continue. Here you can see the first layer, as I mentioned before. The first layer is all about the campaign type. So all we need, you must, I can say, write the caption, the name of the title here. We will press there the name, for example, clothing brand. I just decided to do targeting for clothing brand, and you will see how you can effectively target people for fashion, for clothing brand. Like for campaign details, we have auction, and this is for the engagement tab. We are not changing the campaign objective here. If you want, so you can, but we have already chosen it. And here we have A/B tests. So on another video, I will talk mainly about A/B test. But now let's continue working on this ad. So we need to clarify our daily budget, or we can choose the lifetime budget. So the difference is that with lifetime budget, I can use $55, for example, for 3 days. But for daily budget, I can write like $15 per day for each day. This is by you, but I prefer to set daily budget. Okay, so campaign bid strategy. We have three types of bid strategies, like lowest cost, cost cap, and bid cap. So for bid cap, we will set our maximum amount of the budget we want to spend. For cost control, we will Facebook will try to achieve the result with the average cost. So I'm choosing the lowest cost. This is the cost that Facebook decided that are much beneficial, much efficient for you. So we are trying to go next. And the first section for us is over. You can see that we have our our first section done. So we are moving here. We must write the name, because after this you will never find this campaign if you don't remember the name of your campaign. So let's see. We have the schedule, the start date and the end date. I will set the start date, for example, 1st of June. Okay, let me see. 5, and here I can set, for example, today. The time, an hour, you can see there. So we will move on to another part, like targeting. Here you can target the people, the audience you want to reach. We will choose people living in this location. You can target also tourists, people who are traveling in that location. But I will choose people living in this location. Let's choose the location where we want to target. For example, let's choose the United Arab Emirates. Okay, let's see. Let's decrease the target number. Okay. Okay, let's go on. So we are targeting the woman for clothing brand which has not so higher, not as low cost, a mid-cost clothing brand for women. So we will choose the clothes are mainly for women like after 21, and let's imagine like 48, for example, years old people. We will choose the gender like women only, because the clothing are only for women. So here is the part that we will do detailed targeting. So let's choose. Boutiques. So women who are interested in boutiques, fashion boutiques, and etc. Coffee houses. Let's choose parties. Let's choose dance halls. We can choose also fast food, restaurants. Fast food and restaurants. And let me see. I think it's enough for this budget. We can do another targetings as well. So shopping, shopping and fashion, clothing, and etc. But we are done now. Yes, you can see if you press the suggestions, you will see the target audiences that look like what we have already choose. So you need to save this audience, because next time if you want to create an ad, you will never find the last audience you create. But why to lose time creating from scratch? You can just save this audience. Let's write clothing to remember this. Okay. Here is the section where we need to choose our placement. For example, if you don't want Instagram, you can basically remove it. If you don't want audience network, you can remove it, but let's keep both. And see, you can remove only the types of the placement, like please remember that engagement ads doesn't allow us to create story ads. For stories, we need to create traffic ads. Next time, I will also speak about this. And let me see. So we are done with second section as well. Let's move on to third section for creative. So here is the third section, like as I mentioned, the creative part of our ads. This is my blog. You need to select the post. If you can't select here, or if you don't want to select what you have already done, you can create a new post from scratch. Like this post can be not published on your Facebook feed, but it will only look good on your ads. Let's choose a picture. For example, let's see which picture I have. Okay. Hurry up to buy. Like today we are not talking about content. See, save and publish post. This means that it is not be visible on your feed of your Facebook or Instagram. You can schedule it, you can publish, but we need to save unpublished post. This post will only be shown on the for sponsored ads. See, you can add call to action, which are send message, shop now, and send WhatsApp message. I'm choosing send message now, and you can set automatic answers, automatic replies to your message, basically from here. Use the existing one which you have, or let me see which one is this. So we have frequently asked questions here. You can write a message here to chat. For example, hi, please let us know how we can help you. This is the draft we have. You can change it, add emojis from here, like I'm interested, can you tell me more? You can write an answer, which will automatically send to people who will message you. Yes, we are a clothing brand located in Dubai, for example. And this is slowly writing based on Facebook. This is not from us or from you. And we need to save and finish. So this message, default messages will go to people and automatically will answer to their questions. So congrats, people. We have our first ads created, which is engagement ad. Let's quickly sum up what we have learned today. So the Facebook Ads Manager has three lines for ad layers, we can say, which the first one is campaign, the second one is ad set, and the third one is ad, which is the creative part. For the first part, we need to choose our goal, like engagement. We need to optimize our budget. For the second part, we need to set the starting and ending dates, the targeting, and the placement, for example, Facebook, Instagram. And for the third part, we have our ad creative. Thank you so much. See you later. Please be connected and follow my blog to keep in touch with the marketing and business news.